Hello and welcome to my channel for recipes and instructions see bottom page. Today we have red beet salad with honey mustard dressing, easy to prepare, naturally sweet and savory, full of vitamins, fiber and antioxidants. Serve it chilled or at room temperature for a vibrant dish that's as delicious as it is nutritious. A simple, healthy and colorful salad made with tender boiled beets, tossed in a light honey mustard vinaigrette. This dish is packed with natural sweetness, a touch of tang and rich earthy flavor, perfect as a side dish, appetizer, or a refreshing light meal. Here are the instructions. 1. Place the beets, unpeeled, in a medium pot with 2 liters of water. Cook over medium heat for about 2 hours until tender. 2. Remove the beets and let them cool. Wearing gloves to avoid staining, peel off the skins. 3. Cut the beets into cubes and place them in a large bowl. 4. Add honey, Dijon mustard, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper. 5. Mix well until the flavors are fully combined. 6. Plate, garnish as desired, and serve. Like, subscribe, and get notified.